Ooh, shadow questions. Some very important questions you have to ask of yourself. Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Some very important questions. What aspect of myself do I hide from others, and why? What qualities do I judge harshly in others, and how might they reflect parts of myself? When do I feel most insecure, and what triggers these feelings? How do I react to criticism, and what does this reveal about my self-esteem? What past experience do I find difficult to talk about? And what emotions are tied to them? In what ways do I sabotage my own success, and what might be underlying reasons? How do I handle conflict, and what does this say about my boundaries and self-respect? What are my biggest fears, and how do they limit my actions and decisions? What role do I often play in relationships? For example, caregiver or peacemaker, and why? What unmet needs from my childhood am I still seeking to fulfill? How do I numb or distract myself from uncomfortable emotions? And what are these emotions? What would I do differently if I were not afraid of judgment, of failure? Ask yourself these important questions. Okay? You will get to know yourself more and better, and it's too important. Dear Unique, if you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Write a comment for me. And dear Unique, always remember, there is only one you. Okay? be in the shelter of God's love always, forever and beyond.